What's up, you guys? Welcome back to another makeup video. So I'm going to be showing you this eye look that I did. Very bright, very vibrant, very much spring. So just check the description to see where I got the inspiration for this look, and yeah, let's get right into it. So we're going to be diving into the Morphe X Nikita Dragon palette. And I'm going to be picking up the first shade in this corner, and it's kind of like an eggshell color, actually a little darker than an eggshell color. It's called NYX, and I'm going to be using that as my transition shade. Not normally a shade that I would pick up for this, but for this particular look, it's necessary. So we're just going to be blending that out. With the same brush, I'm going to pick up BB Boy, which is this turquoise shade, and I'm going to start blending that out on the outer part of my eyelid. And then I'm going to work that into my crease. And then I'm going to take the same color and I'm going to just put it all over my eyelid and blend it out. So I'm going to be taking a different brush, and I'm going to be picking up this dark navy shade and this teal shade. And I'm going to blend them together, and I'm going to apply that to the outer corner of my lid and just on the outer corner to kind of make a wing effect. And I forgot to mention that I do have tape on my eyes to create this look. So if you haven't noticed, I'm sure you did. But yeah, I'm just blending that out on my outer corner. Then I'm taking the Killawatt highlighter and Trophy Wife from none other than Big Fenty. Big Fenty. I feel like you can't say that without putting some type of emphasis on there. But I'm just applying that to my inner corner, and I actually went and did this a few times just to intensify it. There is a gold shade in this particular palette. It's called Escort. It just wasn't giving me what I was trying to get, so that's why I was using the Trophy Wife. I just needed a little bit more pop. I'm taking the ABH Electric Cake Liner in Opaque White. Y'all, let me know if this is even still available. I don't even know. I just be using all kind of stuff. I just have stuff for a very long time. But I'm going to be using this as my eyeliner today. And notice I have not taken the tape off yet because that's going to help me here. You can actually make your liner as thick as you want it. I made this one a little thinner than I would usually make my liner just because I wanted to show the actual eyeshadow, and I have a crease, so that can get in the way sometimes. And any mistakes or mishaps that you may run into with your liner, you can easily clean it up with concealer. I know a lot of people don't like to do that, but me personally, I don't have a problem. It's the easiest way for me to do it. So I'm just finishing off my face right now. I'm applying my foundation, and I'm not going to really go into detail about this because obviously we've seen this a million times before. I do have a video coming up specifically about a foundation look, not quite the one I'm doing here, but just stay tuned for that one. And I'm just going to finish the rest of my face off camera. And that's pretty much it for this look. So all the products that I used will be listed down in the description. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and also turn on your notifications. Make sure the bell is on all so you don't miss anything, and I'll see you guys in my next video.